name's Mark Holt. My company is Allstyle Sheetmetal, based in Casper, Northern Territory. We're currently on the Gorge Road where we've just not long ago completed a machinery workshop shed here. My client on this job here, his day-to-day operation is maintaining all bores, the water systems, which includes solar, which can vary anywhere from agriculture through to the cattle side of industry, covers most bases. Entegra shed that we've supplied for this job here is something in the future he wants to catch as much rainwater as he can. So it's got the purpose of going to be putting in some large water tanks, and the benefit of the Entegra shed there was the taper flow gutter that they can supply. Compared to normal guttering is that it's so much wider, it's a lot bigger, and it tapers from one end that we can allow one downpipe on the end of the shed, whereas if you use a normal standard gutter where you've got to have a downpipe at every 6 metres, it becomes a problem getting the water to the actual point where you want it to be. Being the heat side up here in the Territory, which we have approximately 3 months at 40 degrees, is to allow some ventilation in the workshop area. So we've done there is we've raised the cladding to 1 metre off the ground to allow that cross-flow ventilation underneath, and that's been real good. Being so isolated that we are, that on the freight side of it, or Entegra supply landed on site, we've never had a problem there. There's been no damage. That's definitely a bonus, what you need when you're so isolated. It reduces any delays in the construction of the job straight away. So that's one of the big aspects. Quality-wise, we've never had a problem where anything's been an issue, and that all contributes to a successful job.